Come to next one, question number 23rd one. Y equal to sin square into cos it is kx. Again same process, it is continued within the bracket term that is equal to it is u. Take u is equal to cos it is kx and that implies it is y equal to sin square, the total term is considered as u. And differentiate with respect to u as x, du by dx is equal to cos become minus sin kx. Again differentiate with respect to kx. Now that is equal to minus sin it is kx as it is. Differentiation of it is k is called quotient term with respect to x as respect to x it is 1. Therefore k into it is 1. That is equal to minus k into sin it is kx. The derivative of it is du by dx. Once again, the cos kx differentiation, cos become minus it is sin, but it is x as it is kx here. Again we want to differentiate the term it is kx, d by dx of it is kx, and differentiation of it is kx, k is called coefficient term. Differentiate with respect to x as it is 1. Therefore it is minus k into sin kx derivative. Differentiation of it is dy by it is du. Y function with respect to u. Now it is sin it is square it is u. X na x power it is n form. N equal to 2. That is equal to 2 into sin 2 minus 1 into u. Again we want to differentiate the sin u. D by it is du of it is sin it is u. That is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 is called 1. It is sin it is u. And differentiation of sin u become it is cos it is u. That is equal to sin 2 times of it is sin u cos is equal to sin 2u. By applying a what formula? Sin it is 2 it is theta. It is equal to 2 it is sin theta into it is cos theta. Apply the sin 2 theta formula and here. Therefore 2 times of sin u into cos u equal to sin it is 2 it is u. Now applying of it is chain rule. What is chain rule? By applying of it is chain rule, dy by it is dx is equal to dy by du into it is du by it is dx. That is equal to dy by dx equal to sin 2u. That is equal to sin 2 it is u. Du by dx is equal to minus k into it is sin it is k it is x. Therefore, it is equal to minus into plus minus k into sin it is 2 it is u into sin it is k it is x. Now just it is substitute the value of it is u. What is u? U is called as cos it is kx. That is equal to minus k into sin it is 2 into within the bracket of cos it is kx is called it is u into it is sin it is k it is x. And this is called final simplification. Next one, question number 24. Y equal to 1 plus cos square whole power 6. Again we can take within the bracket term 1 plus it is cos square it is x. That implies it is y equal to this total term is called u power 6. U power it is 6. Differentiate du by it is dx that is equal to 1 is called constant term 0 plus x power n form. X is called cos x, n is called 2. Therefore 2 into cos power it is 2 minus 1 into x. Again differentiate with respect to x it is cos it is x. And that is equal to 1 vanished. It is 2 into 2 minus 1 is called 1. It is cos it is x into differentiation of cos become minus it is sin x. Differentiation of it is cos as it is minus it is sin x. And that is equal to minus into plus minus 2 into sin it is x into it is cos x. We know 2 times of sin x cos x equal to sin 2x formula. That is equal to minus sin it is 2 it is x is called derivative. Now differentiate y. What is y? dy by it is du in that is equal to x power n form, n equal to 6. 6 into u power it is 6 minus 1. And that is equal to 6 into u power it is 5. Now applying of chain rule, dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by it is du into it is du by it is dx that is equal to dy by du equal to 6 into u power 6 into u power 5 6 into u power it is 5 into dy by dx equal to what? Minus it is sin it is 2 it is x. And now just applying of it is u value. What is u? 1 plus it is cos square. That is equal to 6 into 1 plus it is cos square it is x whole power 5 into minus it is sin it is 2x as it is. Now minus into plus it is minus 6 into sin it is 2x within the bracket 1 plus cos square x whole power it is 5. That is final simplification. Next question number 25. Y equal to e power 3x by 1 plus it is e power x. Now what property we can use here? Anyone can tell? Yes, correct. By applying of it is a quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? D by it is dx of it is u by v. That is equal to denominator v square and keep it is v as it is, differentiate du by it is dx minus keep it is u as it is, differentiate dy by it is dx. This is called it is quotient, it is a rule. Now here it is u is called e power 3x, v is called 1 plus it is e power x. Now differentiation with respect to x, dy by it is dx that is equal to right denominator 1 plus e power it is x is called it is v square. Again the keep numerator it is v as it is 1 plus e power it is x, keep as it is, differentiate with respect to x it is numerator is called e power it is 3 it is x. Then minus keep the u is called e power it is 3x, keep as it is, differentiate with respect to x, the denominator is called 1 plus e power it is x. Now that is equal to denominator as it is 1 plus e power x as it is, differentiation of e power it is 3x. Once again d by it is dx of e power it is ax, that is equal to d by it is dx of e power it is x, differentiate becomes same e power x. Again we want to differentiate the power term, d by it is dx of x, that is equal to e power it is x, differentiation with respect to x as 1 it is 1, that is equal to e power it is x. Then only we can say it is e power x, differentiation same it is e power x. But here e power it is ax, differentiation same it is e power it is ax first derivative, but power term it is instead of x we have ax. Again we want to differentiate ax, that is equal to e power it is ax into differentiation of ax. A is called constant coefficient term, right, as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x, that is called 1, that is equal to a into 1 is called a into e power it is ax, that is called d by it is dx of e power it is ax. And simply we can say that e power ax, what is the coefficient term along with it is x, that is called coefficient of it is x is called a into e power it is ax. It is called direct formula for it is e power it is ax. Therefore differentiation of it is e power it is 3x, differentiation e power it is 3x becomes same. Again power term differentiation d by it is dx of it is 3x, and this places it is important one for the sum. Then minus e power it is 3x as it is, then it is differentiation of within the bracket 1 plus it is e power x, with respect to it is constant term 0, and e power difference with respect to e power x same it is e power x. Differentiation of e power x become it is same it is e power x. Now that is equal to what is the term here, it is 1 plus e power x as it is, and e power it is 3x also as it is, differentiation of 3x, 3 is called quotient term, x with respect to x it is 1, therefore it is simply 3 minus e power it is 3x as it is, and e power it is x within the bracket, by same it is denominator. Now what is simplification? 3 e power 3x 1 plus it is e power x minus e power 3x e power x, adding the term 3x plus it is 1x, it is called 4x. Therefore otherwise we can take it as e power 3x it is common from the two term, any one method. That is equal to e power it is 3x it is take commonly, the what is remaining in the term 3 into 1 plus e power it is x, the first term remaining, and second term minus e power it is x is remaining, by 1 plus e power it is x whole square denominator. Now just it is multiply the term, that is equal to e power it is 3 it is x, within the bracket it is 3 plus it is 3 times of e power it is x minus e power it is x, by it is same denominator. Now just subtract 3 times of e power x, 1 time of e power x, subtract the item, it is 2 times of e power x. That is equal to e power 3x outside, it is same, it is 3 plus it is 2 into e power x by it is 1 plus this e power it is x, whole power it is 2, 4 power 2, and this is called it is final simplification. Next question number 26, y equal to square root of x plus square root of x. Now squaring on both sides. Take it is y square is equal to square root of x plus square root of it is x, it is whole square. The square root will cancel, y square is equal to x plus it is square root of it is x remaining. Now this equation differentiate with respect to it is x, therefore y square become it is x power n form, x equal to y, n equal to it is 2. Therefore 2 into y and 2 it is minus 1, x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1, but y we can differentiate again, dy by it is dx, that is equal to, again one more time, y square, here at y is it is a dependent variable, x is called independent variable, y square in the form of x power n, d by dx of it is x power it is n, that is equal to n into x power it is n minus 1. So again differentiate this x with respect to x, it is 1, no need to write this 1, but here y square, so differentiation y square equal to 2 into y power it is 2 minus 1, again you differentiate y dy by dx. Now come to right hand side equation, differentiation of x become 1 plus it is root x, we can write x plus it is x power it is 1 by 2. Differentiation of x equal to 1 and x power n form, n equal 1 by 2, 1 by it is 2 into x power it is 1 by 2 minus 1. X power n equal to n into x power n minus it is 1. And now 2 into y power it is 2 minus 1 is called 1, dy by it is dx as it is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into x power it is minus it is 1 by 2. Subtract the value. Now write as denominator form. 2y into dy by dx that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into x power it is 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into square root of it is x because of power equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 2y into dy by it is dx. Just transfer the term to right hand side equation. Therefore dy by dx that is equal to 1 by 2 it is y within the bracket 1 plus 1 by it is 2 into root it is x. Just taking off it is common denominator, that is equal to 1 by 2y within the bracket 2 root it is x plus it is 1 by 2 into root it is x. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into what is the y? Y is called root of x plus it is root x. Just substitute value, y root of it is x plus it is root it is x into within the bracket of 2 root it is x plus it is 1 by 2 into it is root it is x. Just multiply the term, 2 2s are 4, that is equal to 2 root it is x plus 1 in the numerator and 4 times of it is root it is x into root of x plus it is root of it is x, that is called dy by dx, this finally it is derivative. Next, question number 28, y equal to square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x. Again, we can take a square on both sides. Take a square, it is y square is equal to square root of x plus it is square root of x plus it is square root of x whole square. Takes square root on both sides. The square, first square root will cancel. The remaining x plus square root of it is x plus it is square root of x as it is. The left hand side it is y square. Now differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. what we know how to find out as it is y square derivative and x power n form 2e into y power it is 2 minus it is 1. Again differentiate it is y, it is become it is dy by dx, that is equal to differentiation of x equal to 1 plus d by it is dx of it is square root of x plus it is square root of it is x. So just now we derive this it is derivative, already we know that the answer that is equal to 1 plus and compare the previous it is question, the final derivative equal to 2e into root it is x plus 1 by it is 4 it is root x into root of it is x plus root it is x, and that is a derivative of it is the question number 26 that just now we derived, and just it is substitute the value of that derivation and remaining only we want to simplify. Therefore what is left hand side here, 2y into dy by dx dx, just simplification. Now we want to take first it is common denominator, just cross product the value of 2 it is y right hand side equation. Therefore that is equal to 2y into dy by dx, that is equal to take a common denominator, just multiply denominator to 1. Therefore 4 into root x into root of it is x plus it is root it is x plus 2 into root it is x plus it is 1 by common denominator equal to 4 root it is x into square root of x plus it is root it is x. Now just it is transfer this 2 it is y to right hand side equation. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 it is y within the bracket of the term it is as it is. Now that is equal to, and substitute the value of it is y, 1 by 2 into the square root of y equal to root it is x plus it is root of x plus it is root it is x, and within the bracket of it is 4 into root it is x into root of it is x plus it is root it is x, and then plus it is 2 into root x plus it is 1 by 4 into root it is x into square root of x plus it is root it is x. This is within the bracket term. Now what we have to do, just it is multiply the two terms, and that is equal to the denominator that is equal to 8 into and root x, first it write root it is x, then write this term it is root it is x plus it is root it is x, then write this term root of it is x plus root of it is x plus it is root it is x next, then write numerator it is 4 into root it is x into root of it is x plus it is root it is x plus it is 2 into root it is x plus it is 1, and this is called is final simplification for the sum. The next question number 27, y equal to e power x into cos x. Now apply chain rule, and first we have to consider the power term that is considered as equal to u. Take u that is equal to x into cos it is x, and that implies what is the y equal to e power, this total term that is equal to u, therefore e power it is u function with respect to it is x and y function with respect to it is u. Differentiate the u function by applying of what rule, u into v. So we know d by it is dx of u into v, that is equal to keep u as it is, differentiate dy by dx plus it is keep it is v as it is, differentiate du by dx, apply the product rule to simplify it is the first derivative. Therefore du by dx, the u function differentiate with respect to it is x, and keep first x as it is, differentiate with respect to cos it is x plus keep the v cos x as it is, differentiate with respect to the first term it is u is called it is x, that is equal to x into differentiation of cos equal to minus sin x, then plus it is cos x differentiation of it is x equal to 1, that is equal to plus into minus x, it is sin it is x, and plus it is cos x, that is the derivative of du by dx. Then differentiate it is y, dy by it is dx, du by it is du, and differentiation of e power u becomes same it is e power u. Differentiation of it is e power x becomes same it is e power x. Therefore, differentiation of e power u becomes same, it is e power u. Now by applying of it is chain rule dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by du into it is du by it is dx that is equal to dy by du that is equal to e power it is u into du by dx that is equal to minus x into sin it is x and plus it is cos it is x as derivative. Now just substitute the value of it is u is considered as it is x, it is cos x, that is equal to e power it is x cos x into minus x into sin it is x plus it is cos it is x, and that is final simplification. Next one, question number 29, y equal to sin of tan of root of sin x. So this function, first we have to take the within the square root function that is equal to u that is equal to square root of it is sin it is x, u equal to root square root of sin x, then it is and this it is total it is function that is equal to v equal to tan within the bracket of root of it is sin it is x, that is equal to tan, and this within the bracket term root of sin x will consider is equal to u, therefore we simply write tan u, and then we can take it as w is equal to, then we can say that it is y, what is given, it is y equal to sin of it is this total it is term that is defined by it is what, v, therefore it is v, therefore y equal to, we can say that it is sin it is v. So now the u function differentiate with respect to x, v function differentiate with respect to it is u, and it is y function differentiate with respect to it is v. Now before differentiate, write up square root term as a power term, it is sin x whole power it is 1 by 2. Now differentiate u function with respect to x, du by it is dx that is equal to x power n form 1 by it is 2 into sin x whole power it is 1 by 2 minus 1. Again differentiate d by it is dx of the within the bracket term it is sin x. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin x whole power it is, simplify it is 1 minus 2 by it is common number 2, it is minus 1 by 2, minus it is 1 by 2 into differentiation of it is sin become plus it is cos it is x, and that is equal to 1 by, because of minus right denominator form, 2 into sin x whole power it is 1 by 2 into it is cos it is x. Now that is equal to numerator is cos x by 2 into square root of, because of it is the power as 1 by 2 square root of sin it is x as a final derivative of du by it is dx. Now come to next one, the v function differentiate with respect to u, therefore dv by it is du that is equal to differentiation of it is tan becomes secant square it is u. Then differentiation of it is y with respect to it is v, dy by it is dv that is equal to sin v become cos it is v, different derivative of sin become plus it is cos it is, then dy by dv equal to it is cos it is v. Now applying of it is chain rule, by chain rule, what is the chain rule, dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by the y function with respect to what is v, d it is v into dv, d function with respect to y u, d function with respect to it is u into, and it is u function with respect to it is x into du by it is d it is x, du by it is dx. Now just substitute first term, it is cos v into dv by it is du equal to secant square it is u, secant square it is u into the last term it is cos x by it is 2 into square root of it is sin it is x is final term. Now what next, just we substitute that is u v value and it is u value, it is equal to cos of what is called it is v tan square root of it is sin x, tan square root of it is sin it is x is called it is v value, then into it is secant square into secant square u, what is u? U is called square root of it is sine. The square root of it is sine it is x into cos x by it is square root of it is sine it is x. Now, and that is a final simplification, that there is no terms are cancelled and it's called final answer. Therefore, cos of tan of square root of sin x into secant square of it is root of sin x into cos x by square root of it is 2 times, within the denominator we have it is 2 into square root of it is sin x, that is final simplification. Next one, question number 30, y equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Again, within the term, take that is equal to u. Take u that is equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus it is x square. That implies it is y equal to sin inverse of the total term and that is equal to u. Now u function differential with respect to x. What formula going to apply here? And u by v derivative. We know it is u by v derivative. D by it is dx of it is u by it is v that is equal to denominator is v square. Then keep it is v as it is, differentiate du by dx minus it is, keep it is u as it is, differentiate dv by it is dx. This is a quotient rule applied here. Du by it is dx that is equal to denominator it is 1 plus it is x square whole square, it is v square. Again keep it is v, 1 plus it is x square, keep as it is, differentiate with respect to x. The numerator term it is called 1 minus it is x square minus keep u as it is, 1 minus x square, keep as it is, differentiate with respect to x. The denominator it is 1 plus it is x square. Now that is equal to same denominator 1 plus it is x square as it is, differentiation of the term and constant term 0 minus x power n form and n equal to 2 here. Therefore it is within the bracket 0 minus 2 into x power it is 2 minus it is 1 minus 1 minus it is x square as it is, differentiation of the term 1 as 0, x power n form n equal to 2, therefore 0 plus 2 into x power it is 2 minus it is 1. Now simplify, that is equal to within the denominator as it is 1 plus it is x square and minus 2 it is x is remaining in the bracket minus 1 minus it is x square, again it within the bracket 2x is remaining. Just it is multiply the two term into the bracket, that is equal to denominator as it is, then multiply minus into plus minus 2 it is x, then minus into plus minus 2 into x into x power x square, it is 2 it is x power 3, then it is minus into plus it is minus, multiply this 2x minus 2x, then minus minus plus 2 into x power it is 3. Now minus 2x power 3 plus 2x power 3 both are it is cancelled. Adding the term is equal to minus 4x by 1 plus it is x square it is whole square, and it is called du by it is dx derivative. Now what we have to do next, and differentiate with respect to y function with respect to u. Therefore it is y that is equal to sin inverse of it is u. dy by it is du is equal to differentiate with respect to sin it is x that is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus it is x square. Therefore it is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus, instead of x we have it is u square. It is called it is derivative. Now applying of it is chain rule. By applying of it is chain rule. What is chain rule? dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by it is du into du by it is d it is x. Now just substitute the first term. What is first term? That is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus it is u square into, then second term equal to minus 4 into minus 4 into x by it is 1 plus x square it is whole square, and this equal to minus 4x numerator by the square root of 1 minus it is u is called what? What is u? It is 1 minus it is x square by it is 1 plus it is x square. It is u term, it is whole square into into it is square root of 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square remaining. 1 minus it is u square, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is called u, it is whole square. Again we have the term, it is called 1 plus x square whole square as it is. Now just it is square term and bring the within the bracket is equal to minus 4x by it is square root of 1 minus of 1 minus x square, it is whole square, by 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square, into it is 1 plus x square, it is whole square as it is. Now taking off it is common denominator is equal to the numerator is called 4x as it is, the square root of multiplied term 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square, minus of 1 minus x square whole square by 1 plus it is x square whole square as it is, into 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square as it is. Now next step, and applying of a plus b whole square formula, a minus whole square formula, minus it is 4x numerator by the square root of a square is called 1 square is 1 plus it is x square, and x square whole square is called it is x power, it is 4 plus it is 2 into 1 into x square is called 2x square, then it is minus within the bracket 1 square is called 1 and plus it is b square is called it is x square whole square is called it is plus it is x square whole square is equal to 4 minus 2 into 1 into it is x square by 1 plus it is x square whole square remaining into 1 plus it is x square whole square remaining. Now it is equal to minus 4x whole divided by the square root of, remove the bracket, 1 plus x power 4 plus it is 2x square minus it is 1 minus it is 4 and minus it is x power, it is 4 minus plus it is 2 it is x square by 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square remaining into 1 plus it is x square whole square as it is. Now what terms cancel? Plus 1 minus 1 are cancel, x power 4 are cancel, remaining it is 4 times of it is x power 2 is remaining by 1 plus x square whole square, correct? And that is equal to minus 4x by the square root of 4x x square by 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square into 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square remaining. Now just it is remove the bracket square root minus it is 4x by and write as it is 2 into x by and the square term will cancel, 1 plus it is x square remaining into 1 by it is 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square remaining. And this term it is goes to it is numerator is equal to 2 are cancelled, it is minus 2x into 1 plus it is x square by it is x into it is 1 plus it is x square, it is whole square. Now x's are cancelled and x plus it is 1 plus x square, one term is cancelled, that is equal to minus 2 remaining numerator by it is one more, it is 1 plus x square is remaining in the denominator. 2 are cancelled, x's remaining in the numerator denominator, and then this term goes to numerator 1 plus x square by it is 1 plus x square, it is whole square remaining 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, it is 1 is cancelled, remaining one more, it is 1 plus x square, and numerator 2 is therefore minus 2 by 1 plus x square is remaining in the x different. It is final simplification.